Hello K-friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to introduce Korean traditional beverage called Baesuk. Baesuk means cooked pear in Korean. It's commonly consumed in Korea to help with cold symptoms. And pear tea is also a great way to boost your immune system regularly. Now let's make it together. These are Korean pears. They are a bit larger and rounder compared to Western pears, which are thinner and elongated. You can find Korean pears at Korean markets. Cut off about a quarter of the top part of the pear. If you have a fruit scooper, use it to hollow out the inside of the pear a bit. If the seed part in the middle is difficult to remove, use a small knife to cut it out and scrape off with a spoon. Discard the seed part as it will not be used. Once it's hollowed out, use a spoon to scrape a little more from the inside. We will use the scraped pear later. Remove about 1/3 of the inside of the pear. Thinly slice the ginger and then julienne it. Remove the seed from the jujube and thinly julienne it. Put the hollowed out pear into the pear. Put the sliced ginger and some of the julienne jujubes back into the pear. If you have whole peppercorns, add a few. In traditional Korean medicine, Korean pears are considered to have a cold nature in nature, so they are often paired well with whole peppercorns, warm nature. Add a few pine nuts if you have them. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. Now let's steam it. When the water in the pot boils, place the steamer on top. Put the prepared pears into a bowl. If you steam it directly in the steamer, the delicious pear juice will come out. Cover the pear with a lid. Steam over low heat for about an hour. An hour later, open the lid of the pear. Wow, the aroma is so good. When you eat it, remove the ginger and whole peppercorns. Let me try it. You can just drink the juice or eat the pear as well. The pear juice that comes out of the pear is so delicious. If you have a cold, eating this will be the best. You can also have it as a dessert after a meal. Cut the pear in half. Cut each half in half again. Remove the seeds from the inside. Peel the skin off the pear with a knife. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Put them in a pot. Add 2 jujubes. Thinly slice the ginger and add it to the pot. Pour in about 2 cups of water. Cover with a lid and boil for about 10 minutes. If you have jujubes, remove the seed from one with a knife and then roll it up and thinly julienne it. You will use it as a garnish later. 10 minutes later, the pear will rise to the top and it's done. Turn up the heat, pour the pear tea into a cup. Add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey according to your preference. If you have jujubes and pine nuts, add them as a garnish. Did you enjoy the recipe today? It's not only delicious but also good for your health. So try making it sometime like tea. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.